Today, I'll break down 8 Korean retinol serums into beginner to intermediate, and advanced levels. It's important so that you can use it consistently for a long time. Hello, 안녕, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place for all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Today, we're talking about retinol, the most effective anti-aging ingredient. Many of you loved my last year's show on Korean vitamin C serums review, where I broke the products down into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. You asked the same with retinol, so after testing many Korean retinol serums, including new releases, now I'm ready to share the best options for each level. If you're so curious to find out which of these Korean retinol serum will be best fit for you, make sure to stay tuned from start to finish. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. I noticed people asking for my age, so let me share with you. I'm 43 now and will be turning 44 in May this year. And I use retinol serum every single night for my anti-aging care. Retinol is sensitive to daylight, which can degrade its potency, so it must be used only in your night routine. Retinol isn't just for anti-aging. It also tackles acne, improves skin texture, and refines pores. As we age, pores become more visible, but retinol boosts cell turnover, unclogs pores, and controls oil, which makes it great for oily and acne-prone skin types. It's one of the most researched and trusted anti-aging ingredients, but it does come with a few drawbacks. While effective, retinol is a strong ingredient that can cause irritation, redness, and dryness if not used correctly. It's important to start with a low concentration and move up gradually for the best results and find the level that's best for your skin so that you can use it consistently for a long time. Today, I'll break down 8 Korean retinol serums into beginner to intermediate, and advanced levels. If you're looking for expert guidance and personalized skincare support, be sure to check out One Eye Beauty skincare membership. This will be opening soon for a limited time. If you're curious to find out about my upcoming Korean skincare membership, where you'll receive ongoing support starting at a special founding members price of just $5 a month, go and join the waitlist now. I'll leave its link in the description and pinned comment below. Let's start with the best retinol serums for beginners. Innisfree Retinol Cica Repair Ampoule. This is probably one of the most well-known Korean retinol serum for beginners. I have the limited edition featuring My Melody the Rabbit character collaboration version. This came with My Melody makeup purse and all that. I'm not really into these cutesy characters. This happened to be the only option I could grab from Olive Young when I visited Korea. Seeing this collaboration happening, I could assume that a lot of young consumers are reaching out to retinol. Whether you have young or mature skin, this formula is great for those who are new to retinol looking for a gentle introduction. With less than 0.1% retinol, it's infused with skin-soothing ingredients like Cica to minimize irritation. It has a lightweight, milky texture and a very subtle herbal scent. In addition to 0.015% retinol, it includes niacinamide, which strengthens the skin barrier and enhances retinol's effectiveness while reducing irritation, hyaluronic acid and beta-glucan, which help maintain hydration and counteract dryness, and adenosine, which supports skin soothing and repair. A great starting point for those wanting to incorporate retinol without overwhelming their skin. Another great Korean retinol serum for beginners is this one over here. Goodal Black Carrot Vita-A Retinol Firming Ampoule. For this ampoule, the exact percentage of retinol isn't specified, but seeing that it's listed towards the end of the ingredients list, I can only assume that only a small amount of retinol is in it. However though, what makes this ampoule unique is that it contains 20% of carrot root extract, which is naturally rich in vitamin A, which is the same active ingredient as retinol, but in a mild plant-based form. This combination provides anti-aging benefits while remaining gentle on the skin. This is a lightweight yet rich texture with no fragrance, featuring 506 IU of retinol, a mild yet effective dose for gradual improvement. 20% of carrot root extract enhances retinol's effects in a gentler way, while Centella asiatica, vitamin E, 10 types of hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide provide soothing, hydration, and barrier support. A great choice for beginners or sensitive skin or those looking for a plant-based boost to their retinol routine. Let's now move to the beginner to intermediate level of retinol. Innisfree Retinol Green Tea PDRN Skin Booster Ampoule. A new addition to Innisfree's retinol lineup. This ampoule contains 1000 IU per gram of retinol, double the amount found in their retinol Cica ampoule that I showed you earlier, while still being relatively gentle. This also contains HPR. Do you want me to say out its full name? It's quite tricky. Hydroxypinacolone retinoid. This is a stable and less irritating form of retinoid, which is listed above retinol in the ingredients list. This suggests that it's present in a higher concentration than retinol. It has a rich, creamy texture with a subtle herbal scent, infused with 1000 IU per gram of retinol and HPR, plus vegan PDRN from green tea for skin regeneration, and over 50% lactobacillus ferment lysate to strengthen the skin barrier and brighten skin tone. Niacinamide and squalane support the barrier and refine pores, while allantoin, adenosine, and hyaluronic acid provide soothing hydration. Innisfree's boosted absorption technology makes this serum 3.4 times faster than regular retinol, perfect for beginners ready to level up while minimizing irritation. Dr.G Black Snail Retinol Ampoule. This ampoule combines retinol, HPR, I'm not gonna say out its full name this time, with snail secretion filtrate, which makes it hydrating and gentle on the skin while still delivering anti-aging benefits. Although the exact amount of retinol isn't specified, seeing that it's listed towards the end of its ingredients list, we can assume that only a small amount of retinol is in it, but HPR is listed earlier, indicating potentially higher concentration. This is a rich and slightly sticky texture with mild floral fragrance. Along with retinol and HPR, it's formulated with niacinamide and squalane, which help reinforce the skin barrier and provide pore care. Centella asiatica, allantoin, and adenosine, known for their soothing properties. Snail secretion filtrate and hyaluronic acid, which add hydration and help to reduce irritation. And peptides and hydrolyzed collagen to provide additional anti-aging benefits. An excellent hydrating and nourishing retinol option for those with dry or sensitive skin. Some by me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. This is a very interesting retinol serum formulated with 0.1% retinol plus 1 ppm of retinol, which is a more potent form of retinol, combined with 5000 ppm of bakuchiol, a plant-derived retinol alternative that enhances retinol's benefits while reducing irritation. It has a lightweight, creamy texture with a pleasant and refreshing floral scent. Infused with 0.1% retinol plus 1 ppm retinol, which still feels quite gentle on the skin, with 5000 ppm of bakuchiol, a natural mild alternative of retinol. Also infused with skin hydrating panthenol and ceramides and skin soothing Centella asiatica and niacinamide to strengthen the skin barrier and work synergistically with retinol. This is a well-balanced option for those moving beyond beginner retinol but still wanting a formula that minimizes irritation. Let's now move up to the intermediate level of retinol. Before we move on, did you know that One Eye Beauty has weekly email newsletter? In here, I share more skincare insights, upcoming teasers, and Q&As that I don't get to share on YouTube videos. Go and sign up now. I'll leave its link in the description and pinned comment below. COSRX The Retinol 0.5 Oil. Like its name, this serum contains 0.5% retinol, vitamin E, and squalane to target anti-aging and pore care while keeping the skin nourished. What makes the serum unique is that it also includes vitamin C, which proves that vitamin C can be combined with retinol when formulated properly. This is a lightweight, watery oil serum with a subtle herbal scent. infused with 0.5% retinol, vitamin E, and squalane, which enhance absorption, help to minimize the appearance of pores, and support anti-aging. It also contains ascorbic acid, pure vitamin C, and ethyl ascorbic acid, vitamin C derivative, providing antioxidant and skin brightening benefits. A great choice for those accustomed to retinol and looking to target fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and uneven texture more effectively all in one go. Iope Retinol Super Balance Serum. Iope was the first brand to bring retinol to Korea, making it a trusted brand backed by research. This serum features granactive retinoid, pure retinol, and encapsulated retinol. To keep the skin calm and balanced, it's infused with skin-soothing ingredients like green tea probiotics, making it a great choice for those who are ready to step up their retinol game with a relatively still gentle formula. This is a lightweight, creamy texture and a very subtle herbal scent, infused with bioseletinoid, which is a combination of granactive retinoid, a gentler alternative to retinol but still very effective, pure retinol, and encapsulated retinol. These work together to promote cell turnover and improve skin elasticity. It also contains squalane and shea butter that provide pore care and moisture, peptides to further boost skin firmness, vitamin E, and green tea probiotics, which offer antioxidant protection and soothing benefits. This is a trustworthy option for those looking for high-performance, research-backed Korean retinol. Let's move up to the advanced level of retinol. COSRX Baha RS Retinol 2.5 Serum. This serum contains a staggering 2.5% retinol, which is one of the most highest concentration of retinol found in Korean skincare. My dry and sensitive skin couldn't tolerate it. I can't go anything beyond 0.5% retinol, unfortunately. But if your skin isn't particularly sensitive and you've been using intermediate level of retinol for months and haven't seen significant results, this could be your next step. It has a lightweight, watery texture with no fragrance. Formulated with 2.5% retinol, it also includes aloe barbadensis leaf extracts to soothe and hydrate, sodium hyaluronate to boost moisture and reduce irritation, niacinamide to strengthen the skin barrier and work synergistically with retinol, and vitamin E for antioxidant protection and nourish the skin while supporting retinol's anti-aging effects. If your skin isn't sensitive and you are ready for a stronger retinol, this could be your next powerful option. Got questions on retinol? Mina, a qualified cosmetologist and former picky expert, will be answering all your retinol related questions and more in next week's video. She's an expert who tackled countless skincare concerns, so make sure you hit that like, subscribe and alarm button to be notified when it lands. Here's another reminder that I'm launching One Eye Beauty Korean Skincare membership soon. If you're looking for ongoing support for your anti-aging skincare, I think you'll love it. Inside you'll find the members only skincare library, a private community space to connect and share, plus live Q&A sessions with me and the skincare expert. This will be open for a limited time only at a special founding members price starting at just $5 a month. Sounds great! Join the waitlist now to be the first to know when the doors are open. The waitlist link is in the description and pinned comment below. If you're interested in grabbing any of these retinol serums, all their shopping links and my discount codes will be down in the description below, so go and check them out. And please leave a comment below. Which of these Korean retinol serums have you tried or like to try? I'd love to hear from you. Love this video? For more must-know anti-aging tips, go and check out my previous show on skincare mistakes that's making you look older and how to fix them. Click here to watch it now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next K-beauty show. 안녕!